Have you ever dreamed of owning a piece of the world? Real estate investing might be the path for you. It can seem complicated at first, but it doesn't have to be. This essay will break down the basics of real estate investing. Whether you're just starting or need a refresher, this guide will help you make smart decisions. Real estate investing is simply buying a property and using it to make money. This can be done in many ways. You can buy a house and rent it out, earning money each month. You can buy an old building, fix it up, and sell it for a profit. You can even buy land and lease it to businesses. Each strategy has pros and cons, but they all revolve around using property to build wealth. Why do people invest in real estate? It can provide a steady stream of passive income through rents. It's also a great hedge against inflation. As the cost of living goes up, so does the value of your property and the rent you can charge. Plus, there's nothing quite like owning a tangible asset, a piece of the world that you can see and touch. Ready to dive in? Let's explore the exciting world of real estate investing. The first step in your real estate investing journey is buying your first property. It's a big decision, so it's crucial to do your homework. Start by deciding what type of property you want to buy. Are you interested in single-family homes, apartments, or commercial buildings? Each has its own set of advantages and challenges. Once you know what you're looking for, it's time to start researching neighborhoods. Look for areas with strong rental demand, low crime rates, and good schools. Drive around and get a feel for the community. Check online real estate platforms for properties that fit your criteria. When you find a property you're interested in, it's essential to do your due diligence. This means getting a professional inspection to uncover any hidden problems. It also involves looking into the property's history, like past sales prices and any liens or easements. After completing your due diligence and feeling confident about the property, it's time to make an offer. Your real estate agent will help you navigate this process, ensuring you make a competitive offer based on market value and the property's condition. Once your offer is accepted, you'll move on to the closing process, where you'll sign all the necessary paperwork and officially become a property owner. Unless you have a pile of cash sitting around, you'll likely need a loan to finance your real estate investment. Don't worry, several options are available, each with pros and cons. The most common type of loan is a mortgage. Mortgages come in various forms, including fixed rate, where your interest rate stays the same for the loan's life, and adjustable rate, where your interest rate can fluctuate. If a traditional mortgage isn't an option, consider a hard money loan. These loans come from private lenders and have shorter terms and higher interest rates than conventional mortgages. However, they can be helpful if you need quick funding or have a less than perfect credit history. Another option is private money loans. These loans are funded by individuals rather than institutions and offer more flexibility in terms and conditions. However, they often have higher interest rates than traditional loans. Lastly, you can explore crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to pool money from multiple investors to purchase a property. This option can be excellent for those who don't have enough capital for a down payment or prefer to spread their risk across multiple investments. Section 4. Managing your real estate investment. Congratulations on buying your first investment property. Now comes the exciting part, managing your investment to generate income and build wealth. One of the first steps is setting the right rent price. Research similar properties in your area to determine the going rate. You want to charge enough to cover your expenses and make a profit while remaining competitive to attract tenants. Next, you'll need to find and screen potential tenants. This involves running background and credit checks to ensure you're placing responsible individuals in your property. Once you've selected a tenant, you'll sign a lease agreement outlining the terms of their tenancy. Property maintenance is a crucial aspect of real estate investing. Regular upkeep, like landscaping, cleaning, and repairs, keeps your property in good condition and attracts and retains tenants. You can handle maintenance yourself or hire a property manager to take care of it. Remember, happy tenants are more likely to renew their leases, reducing your vacancy rates and ensuring a consistent stream of rental income. Building a good relationship with your tenants can go a long way in the success of your real estate investment. Section 5. Risks and rewards of real estate investing. Like any investment, real estate comes with its share of risks. It's essential to understand these risks before diving in. Market fluctuation is a key risk. Property values can go up and down. Economic downturns and local factors can impact values. Property damage is another risk. Unexpected repairs can be costly. An emergency fund and insurance can help. Vacancies mean no rental income. You're still responsible for expenses. Legal issues can arise with tenants or contractors. Understanding laws and having a good lease helps. Despite risks, real estate offers rewards. It can provide passive income and tax advantages. By understanding and mitigating risks, you can succeed in real estate investing.